So today we are going to learn how to solve the Composer install error, which happens when you install your Composer application on your machine and it stops claiming that it could not proceed because the OpenSSL certificate could not be verified because the CS certificate probably is out of date or something like that. Let us see what error it gives you practically here. So on the website getcomposer.org, here you go to the download button or link. Then because I am using the Windows operating system, here we can see the Windows installer. I will use the composer setup.exe. Then after the download is finished, I will just say open file to start install. So I will say install for all users, which is recommended. Then I will say yes. Here I'm not going to use the developer mode. I will just use the general mode. So I will say next. Then I will add this PHP to your path. So I will check that checkbox. Then I will click on next. I'm not going to choose any proxy server. Then here I'm going to check that everything is okay. Then I will click on install. So after that, we can see the Composer installer error, and here it says the OpenSSL failed with the certificate, verify failed error. This indicates a problem with the certificate authority files on your system, which may be out of date. So we are going to see how we are going to solve this error. So here I will cancel. This error most of the times is caused by the antivirus application. So one of the things that you need to do is to disable your antivirus. So here I will come, I'm using Avast antivirus. So I will right click and I will say shield control, then I will say disable for like 10 minutes. Then I will say okay to stop. After I have done that, I will just come again and try to install the file once more. I will say install for all users, which is recommended, and then I will choose yes. I will use the same steps that I did in the beginning. I will not use any proxy server. Everything seems to be okay. Then I will say install, and magically everything is going to work very fine. So here we can see that the composer has finished successfully, and we'll say next. Then I will say finish. So thank you for watching, and before that let us test that the composer really works well. So I will go to the cmd command prompt, then I will run it. Then here I will say composer -- version, and when I press enter, here I can see that the composer version is 2.8.3, and that this is the PHP version I'm using. So if I go to the composer homepage, we can see it is 2.8.3. so that's the composer version that I'm using. So thank you so much for watching this video. Just stay tuned for more videos on tech and IT. Thank you.